Hi there, in this 2-minute series video we're going to have a look at what is an implicit measure. So an implicit measure is an aggregation function like a sum or count that's automatically performed by Power BI when putting a field into a value window of the visualizations pane of most visuals, or in PivotTables in Excel when putting any field in the value window of the field list. Now what happens is that Power BI and Excel will automatically sum or count the value that's in the field that's gone into the values windows. Let's have a look at how that works. So here we are in Excel. We've got some data on the left-hand side of the screen and we've got a pivot table which is linked to that data. Now what I want to do is sum the total value of the invoice value column, which is in column E. So all I need to do is put the invoice value field in the values window of the field list pane. There we go. Now automatically the pivot table has calculated the total sum of the invoice value column is 82,027. And then down here we've got just a little sum calculation that shows that that is the correct value. Over in Power BI, we've got the same information. We've got the cost center name, the cost center number, the invoice number, and the invoice value. Again, to create an implicit measure, all we need to do is bring the invoice value field and put it into the values window of the visualizations pane. And there we go, we created the same implicit measure, totaling the value of the invoice value field. Now what you can do instead, if you don't want to aggregate a numerical value field, you can aggregate a text field. Instead, Power BI and Excel won't perform a sum calculation, it will perform a count. Here we go. Now this time Power BI has just performed a simple count function over the cost center name field.